Unboxing the meaning, Jack in the Box. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, Jack in the Box. This expression has a rich history and is used in various contexts. So, if you've ever been curious about what it really means, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. Jack in the Box refers to a popular children's toy that has been around for centuries. It's a box with a crank on the side. When you turn the crank, music plays, and at a certain point, the lid pops open and a figure, usually a clown or jester, springs out. This toy is known for its element of surprise and is a classic example of whimsical fun in children's play. In a metaphorical sense, Jack in the Box is used to describe something or someone that appears suddenly and unexpectedly. This could be a person who pops up without warning, a sudden idea, or an unforeseen event. It captures the essence of surprise and spontaneity, just like the toy. The phrase has been adopted in various forms of popular culture. For instance, it's the name of a fast food restaurant chain, indicating something quick and unexpected. In music and literature, Jack in the Box often symbolizes surprise or an abrupt change. 1. When the teacher asked a question, Sarah was like a jack in the box, eagerly popping up to answer. 2. The new policy was a real jack in the box, catching everyone off guard. These examples help illustrate how the phrase can be used in everyday conversation. And there you have it. Jack in the Box is a phrase with both literal and metaphorical meanings, rooted in the idea of surprise and the unexpected. I hope this video has been enlightening and fun. Remember, language is full of surprises, much like a jack in the box. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.